everybody, welcome. Here is the application 2 that I've chose to do, which is called Booklet. And you will go to booklet.com and it will take you to a sign in or log in, create a game or join a game. So if you are a host, you will go to log in, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one. Okay, so I did choose to create a short game for y'all to see. I've actually done Solve That Math, Disney, 3 Branches of Government. Now, we can actually do the 3 Branches of Government since I've only created 3 questions. And then Solve That Math, I chose to do 10 questions, which was the multiplication facts. Okay, so when we go to the 3 Branches of Government, we will click here. Click Host. And teachers and students can choose which theme they would like to do. So teachers, this is what their screen is going to look like. And the kids their screen is not going to look like that. The kids are going to look at the teacher screen and decide which theme they would like if the teacher gives them an option. Or the teacher can choose it for them. Okay, so let's click Gold Quest. That's just one of the themes. There is actually a lot of themes on here. So, Gold Quest, we're going to click Host the Game. And you can choose the time limit. Or when the game, say like they collected so many golds. That would be those. So, okay. So, when the host is ready, you'll click Host Now. And this is what the kids are going to see on the teacher's board. So kids are going to get their devices. It could be a tablet, a computer, or an iPhone if the schools allow. So for me, I'm going to pretend that I'm a student. And I'm going to that website, which is booklet.com/play for students. And this is when they go in and enter their game ID, I'm sorry. Okay. Music is a little loud, so I'm going to turn it down. Okay, so the game ID on here says 584096. Now, this does change. So, like, if you were to play again, the game pin will change. Or if you chose to play the same theme, setting, then it won't change the game ID. Okay, so enter nickname. So this is what it will take you there. Enter nickname. So students are going to type their name. I'm going to be Supergirl. Okay. Once you're there, you're going to click the arrow key. And then students can choose their character. And the characters, they have like all kinds of different animal characters on here. So, I'm going to be this panther looking. Yeah. Okay. So once students are in, teachers can see who is in and how many players we have. So right now we have 1 player, which is me, and that's all who's going to play with me. There's nobody that I can ask to play. But if, like I said, it's easier when you have more than 1 student. Okay, the host will click Start. And this is where the students will answer questions. So, students will look at their devices and instructions will tell them what to do. So look up at this host screen. So students are going to look at the host screen. It says good luck. And this is, when teachers look at the screen, this is what the teacher is going to see. It's got people in order of who's in first place, and it tells you how many goals they have. And then this is saying the timer saying waiting to party and how many goals are in. Okay, so students are looking at their devices, true or false. There are 12 cabinets. Yes, true. And then they choose a chest once they answer the question. Swap. They get to swap with somebody. But since I have nobody to swap with, I just got to keep going. Okay. So what are the 3 branches of government? I already know that one. Okay, I got it right. So click on anywhere in the screen. Choose any. Oh, I got 100 gold. So, and the teacher will see 100 gold on there. Okay, so click on next. So who gets to make the laws? Yay, got it right. 20 goals. I earned 120 gold. Alright, click anywhere. So true or false or wrong. Nice up. Alright, so since that was already 3 questions and I already went through all of them, the game can keep going as long as the host keeps the game going. So, ooh, triple gold. Okay. Now, the host can end the game anytime they would like to. So let's say they've been playing for so long and that nobody's finished the game or end the game yet. The host can end the game. So here's where you'll go if you were the host. You'll go here and it says end now. That's where you'll click. And the game stops. Students can't do anything. They just have to watch to see who gets first place. As, you know, of course, me, I got first place. And it tells you the score. Teachers can go over here where they can click view report to see how well they did. Wow, 1 incorrect answer. That's not bad. And then 5 correct answers. And then that was how many players that were playing. And it tells you the report. As you can see, it's like a pie chart. Okay, and then it will tell you the score and how many goals they've earned. And that's really it. Okay, so you're wondering, how do you create a booklet? Okay, well, here we go. I will show you exactly where to go. So we are going to match my account. So log in. Here's my account. So I actually did create a Disney one and the Solve That Math one. If you were to edit, you can go here to edit your game. If you need to go back and edit them, if you see like a mistake or something. Or if the timer was too short, you can go here and edit the timers. So if you were to edit this game, okay, so we can go 3 branches of government and then add more questions or fix the answers, you know, like this is not right. Okay, I need to fix it. Go here. Okay, this needs to be this one. And then take this one off. But that's just an example. But anyways, and then click save. And then, so if you really want to create a new one, you'll go here, and this is where you'll type your title, your description, and you can add pictures to it. And then once you're there, you create your set, and it'll take you exactly where I showed you about your questions. You can add questions, import, you know, from the Quizlet. So there you go. That is exactly how you do it. So that is it. Since I'm not creating a game for sure, I'm just going to go back, click Booklet, log in. Here I am. So that is all I can show you guys. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all enjoy it, and we'll try to use this in the future for your kids and play with it. It's fun. It takes some time to learn how to use this tool. So thank you so much. Have a great night.